Hi students, please look at question number 4 of page number 167. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. In the question number 4, a line segment is given with its endpoints minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8. A line segment with coordinates of its endpoint is given, so we can name it as A B. Let the line segment be A B, okay, with coordinates of endpoints 3, minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8. And it is given that the line segment is divided in a particular ratio at a point where the coordinates are given it as minus 1, 6. Minus 1, 6. Okay, let's name that point as P. The question here is, find the ratio in which the line segment is divided by the point minus 1, 6. What we have to find here? We need to find the ratio in which the line segment is divided by the point P. In the first class of this section formula, I have told you that there will be mainly two types of questions. Which are the first type? The ratio will be given and the question will be, find the point at which the line segment is divided in the ratio. Ratio will be given 2:3 or 1:2. We have to find the coordinates of this point. So to solve, in the first case, to solve and find the coordinates of P, we will let the point be Px, y, and the ratio will be given. And the second type is what? The coordinates of the point P will be given and we will have to find the ratio. Here the question is, find the ratio. So please note down that whenever we need to find the ratio, we will assume, let the ratio be k:1. Okay, we will assume that let the ratio be k:1 at which the point P divides the line segment AB. Okay. So answer, let P divides AB in the ratio k:1. We will assume that the point P divides AB in the ratio k:1. Okay. Now that is what, instead of M1 we will put K and instead of M2 we will put 1. Okay, we will assume that the ratio of M1 is to M2 as k:1. Then we will just substitute the section formula, that is what we know, P of x, y equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2, isn't it? P of x, y equal to x coordinate, y coordinate as per the section formula. Now we will just substitute the values here. P of x, y, that is already given in the question. P of x, y, here x it is minus 1 and y it is 6. Isn't it, students? The coordinates of the point here x and y is given, where x is minus 1 and y is 6. Now for the x coordinate here, we will substitute M1. We have taken M1 as k, isn't it, into x2. x2 is here, that is 6, plus M2, that is what, 1, into x1, that is what, minus 3, by M1 plus M2. What is M1? K, and M2 it is 1, isn't it? So that is what, M1 plus M2. Okay, students, M1 again for the y coordinate here, this is the y coordinate. So for the y coordinate we have M1, that is again it is k, into y2 it is what, M1 y2 here it is minus 8, plus M2 that is 1 into y1 that is 10 by M1 plus M2 that is what, k plus 1. Okay, students. Now this will just solve, so that k into 6, that is what, 6k plus 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3, it is minus 3. Okay, by k plus 1, comma, here again minus 8 into k, it is minus 8k. 1 into 10, it is plus 10 by k plus 1. Okay, students, that is what, minus 1 comma 6. Okay, now if you look at both the sides, here x coordinate comma y coordinate. Minus 1 is x coordinate, isn't it? So x coordinate comma y coordinate. Similarly here at the RHS, it is what, x coordinate comma y coordinate. Okay, x comma y equal to x comma y. So in this case, what we can do is we can equate both the x-axis, x coordinates. Okay, x coordinate here it is minus 1. We can equate minus 1 to what, x coordinate of the RHS, that is 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. I just equated the x coordinates. Similarly, we can equate the y coordinates also. Here the y coordinate is what, 6, that is equal to what, y coordinate in the RHS, it is minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1, isn't it? Minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. Hope it is clear. Okay, students, now we'll just solve this. So minus 1 into k plus 1, taking k plus 1 to here, so it will be minus 1 into k plus 1 equal to 6k minus 3. Okay, so just inserting this minus 1 to the bracket, it will be minus 1 into k, that is minus 1k, that is minus k, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, it is minus 1, equal to 6k minus 3. Now we'll take all the k terms to one side and numerals to the other side. So taking 6k to this side, it will become minus k minus 6k equal to minus 3. Minus 1 will go to that side and it will become plus 1. So minus k minus 6k, it is minus 7k equal to minus 2. Isn't it, students? Solving minus 3 and 1. So that is what, therefore k equal to minus 2 by minus 7, that is equal to what, 2 by 7. So we found the value of k. This is fine, but to confirm it, it's better to solve the other side also. Okay, equating the y coordinates. So for that, I'll take k plus 1 to this side. So 6 into k plus 1 equal to minus 8k plus 10. Okay, inserting 6 to the bracket, we'll get 6k plus 6 into 1, that is 6, equal to minus 8k plus 10. Bringing all the k terms to one side, it will become 6k plus 8k equal to 10 minus 6. This is 14k equal to 4. Therefore, finally, k equal to 4 by 14. What the factors of 2, isn't it? So 2 into 2, 2 into 7. So we confirmed that our answer is right, isn't it? Okay, so we got k. When we substitute, when we equate the x coordinate, we got the value of k equal to 2 by 7, and when we equate the y coordinate, we got the same answer. So we can confirm that our solution is right. Okay, so we can finally say that, so the required ratio here, the ratio we took as k is to 1, isn't it? And the value of k is to 1 is the ratio we took, and the value of k we got is what? After solving, we got the ratio is 2 by 7 is to 1. Isn't it? K is 2 by 7. So this 7 we can take to the other part. So that will be 2, 7 will go there. So it is 1 into 7, that is 7. So therefore, the required ratio by which the line segment is divided by the point P minus 1 comma 6 is 2 is to 7. Hope it is clear. Okay, students, please take it to notebook.